Twist up some fun with our new Cara Co Twist a Pet DIY craft kits. Your kids are going to love making their DIY bracelets from scratch, and they're so easy to twist into a cute little pet. How fun is that? Get creative. Hand-making crafts from start to finish is always a big hit with the kids. When it comes to Cara Co's Twist-a-Pets, there's so many styles to choose from, including koalas, cows, fawns, clouds, dogs, and unicorns. Each bracelet is made up of BPA-free, 100% food-grade silicone beads and silicone character beads. All our Twist-a-Pets come in pre-packaged kits that make it easy for you to make one for yourself. They include all the supplies and easy instructions on the back. Let's create one now. Head to the website and pick out your favorite. Before you get started, make sure you grab a pair of scissors to help you finish off your Twist-a-Pet. Take your elastic cording, and in the order that you see on your card, put all of your beads. Once you've got all your beads on your cord, all you have to do is tie a simple double knot and finish it off. It doesn't need to be too tight. And a little tip, when you're doing your double knot, make sure that you pull on all 4 strands, the 2 that come out and the 2 working ends, to make it nice and tight. Trim your ends. And then find a neighboring bead to just slip your knot into. And there you have it. They're a great fidget toy and trendy accessory that can be gifted at birthday parties, in goodie bags, as best friend bracelets, or as student gifts. The kids are going to love twisting them back and forth from pet to bracelet. Build them, twist them, gift them, trade them. And collect them all. Find them at carasupply.com.